Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to go over a little technical analysis on ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, and talk about why this week is a crucial one in regards to the share price and where I might consider buying more based on where the share price is going, because I think it possibly could go lower than what we're seeing now. So it finished at about 0.0594, right about, you can go ahead and call it 6 cents in a sense, but we're at a pretty crucial level here. As you know, these two lines here, the golden cross breakout indicators, are coming at a crossroads here. So if this blue line happens to cross underneath that red, then we typically are going to see a pretty significant push down to the downside, which I think we could see again about 4.5 cents from that mark there. If it bounces off of there, that's a good sign, because it shows that we're going to stay above that and could potentially move higher. However, if we don't have any reason to, well, it could potentially go lower. So also on the technical side of things here, if you look at the bullish pattern that we're in, is not such a bullish pattern. So we kind of went underneath 0.0577 to 0.0524. We poked our head above it and tried to stay above it, and then we just fell back down here. So this level here at 0.0577, extremely crucial for the share price in a sense of where we go. So if we bounce off of that and make our way higher, then 0.0661 is an area that you want to see us poke our head above water and hold there. If not, I really feel that we're going to break below here. We're going to retest that level of 0.047, in my opinion, or somewhere close to that. As you see, once, twice, 3 times. Here comes the 4th time. Each time we typically bounce off of there, or actually maybe even before. So right here we bounced off of 0.047, and then we bounced before that right at 5 cents. Right here, right below 5 cents. I think we get a little bit lower, but I think somewhere mid of this channel here is going to be the sweet spot where it falls, and then boom, it bounces again. And so that's what I'm looking at, is if it's going to break below 0.0577, I feel confident that we're going to get closer to that 4.5 cent mark, and then potentially I'll come in and maybe get a little bit more shares. I'm not 100% sure just yet, but leading up to that annual shareholder meeting, if they give any type of decent information, and really the only decent information they're going to give is people are coming to start the project that they've been talking about, or we've been talking about. So still kind of up in the air on what this one does here, but I think somewhere around this spot here, even if you're looking for a swing trade, it comes down closer to the 5 cent mark. You get in there, it pops its head closer back to the 6 cent mark. You can take some profits off of the table there. But as far as dollar cost averaging, I think around the 5 cent mark is where I'm looking to go and add some more, and dollar cost average there, and just increase my sharehold and just kind of see what happens from this point forward, because we just have no idea. It's just going to take some time, as we all know. You won't really know any type of results from their test probably till the end of the year, in my opinion. I think it's just going to take quite some time, so we'll just have to wait and see what goes from there. So about a week or two, the fib level is actually going to update. However, it's not going to update by much. You see, like 9, right under 10 cents is your overall tip top, and the same thing here. So once this one goes away, you're still going to have that as your tip top of the fib level, and then 0.047 is going to be there for another several weeks as your low, and then after that you're going to get about 0.0493. So it's not going to be that big of a difference as far as what resistance and support levels are. However, they are going to change some, so whenever that does update, I will get you guys squared away and let you know what levels to look out for. But as far as next week, that's what you're looking for. You're taking a look and seeing if we break below 0.0577. If we do, then you're looking at potentially 4.5 cents where we bottom out and then bounce, or maybe even a little bit above that. Okay, that's what we're taking a look at. If we come out with some green candles, 0.06601 is what you're looking at to break through. And then from there, 0.072, 0779, 0852, 097. However, I don't think we get to those levels for no particular reason. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one.